Hello, I'm Red Skylar. And today, I want to talk to you about something a lot of people ask about, but very few people actually understand. How do you make money by posting videos on Facebook? Now listen closely, because I'm not here to sell you a fantasy. I'm here to give you the truth. You do not just post one video, go viral, and wake up rich. That happens to a tiny number of people, and usually after they have already spent months or years learning how content works. The real way to make money on Facebook is by becoming consistent, valuable, recognizable, and eligible. That means Facebook has to trust your account. Your audience has to trust your content. And you have to create videos people actually want to watch. The first step is choosing what kind of creator you are. Are you funny? Are you educational? Are you local? Are you a cook? A designer? A storyteller? A reviewer? A business owner? A character like me? Do not try to be everything. That is one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. Pick a lane. For example, you might create videos about local restaurants, behind-the-scenes business tips, cooking, design, printing, parenting, comedy, fitness, faith, repairs, tutorials, or storytelling. The money begins with attention, but attention begins with clarity. When someone sees your video, they should understand within 3 seconds what they are watching and why it matters. Now, here is the first actual step. Set up your Facebook profile or page properly. Use a clear profile picture. Use a clean cover image. Write a simple bio that tells people what you do. Turn on professional mode if it is available to you, or build from a Facebook page. Then go to your professional dashboard or Meta Business Tools and check your monetization eligibility. Do not guess. Check. Facebook has rules. You need to follow community standards, partner monetization policies, and content monetization policies. If you repost stolen videos, use copyrighted music the wrong way, spread misinformation, or create low-quality spam content, you may ruin your chances before you even begin. So part 1 is this. Do not chase money first. Build a real creator foundation. Choose your topic. Clean up your profile. Learn the rules. Start creating original content. Because Facebook does not pay people just because they post. Facebook rewards content that keeps real people watching, reacting, sharing, and coming back. In part 2, I'll show you how to choose the right video ideas so you are not just posting randomly into the wind.